Welcome to 10 Facts. Today we're diving into the mysterious and fascinating world of dreams. Here are 10 surprising facts that will change the way you think about what happens in your mind while you sleep. Fact 1. Why do we dream? Dreaming has puzzled scientists for centuries. While the exact reason remains a mystery, dreams are believed to help process emotions, consolidate memories, and even solve problems. Our brains are remarkably active during dreams, suggesting they play a vital role in our mental health. Studies show that during REM sleep, the brain is as active as it is when we are awake, which could explain why dreams can feel so vivid and real. Some researchers propose that dreaming allows us to simulate threatening scenarios, helping us to rehearse responses to potential dangers in a safe environment. Fact 2. Most dreams are forgotten. Did you know that up to 95% of dreams are forgotten soon after waking? This happens because the brain's memory centers are less active during REM sleep, the stage where most dreaming occurs. If you want to remember a dream, try keeping a dream journal and write down your dreams immediately upon waking. By doing this consistently, you can train your brain to recall more details. Some people find that discussing their dreams shortly after waking up helps reinforce their memory, making it easier to remember specific details. Fact 3. Everyone dreams, even if they don't remember. Everyone dreams, typically 4 to 6 times per night, even if they don't remember them. Dreams occur during the REM, or rapid eye movement, stage of sleep, and most people spend about 2 hours dreaming each night. Even those who claim they never dream are likely experiencing dreams, they just aren't recalling them. Regular sleep cycles that include uninterrupted REM sleep are essential for dreaming. If you're interested in improving dream recall, consider improving your sleep hygiene by establishing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Fact 4. Blind people dream too. People who are born blind experience dreams involving their other senses, such as sound, smell, and touch. Those who become blind later in life often see images in their dreams, similar to when they had sight. This indicates that dreams are not only visual but can also incorporate other sensory experiences depending on an individual's sensory awareness. These dreams might involve hearing music, feeling textures, or smelling fragrances, highlighting how the mind compensates for a lack of visual stimuli by enhancing other senses. Fact 5. Animals dream. Many animals experience REM sleep and exhibit behaviors that suggest they dream, including dogs and cats. You might have noticed your pet twitching or moving their paws while asleep. This could be a sign they're dreaming. Studies on mammals, birds, and even some reptiles suggest that dreaming helps animals process experiences and learn, similar to humans. Observations of animals during sleep have shown that the brain activity patterns during REM sleep are consistent with those seen in humans, indicating that the ability to dream is widespread in the animal kingdom. Fact 6. Lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming is when the dreamer becomes aware they're dreaming and can sometimes control the dream's outcome. Techniques like reality checks and keeping a dream journal can help you achieve lucid dreams, allowing you to explore your imagination freely. Lucid dreaming has been used therapeutically to help people confront fears or practice new skills in a safe environment. Some people use lucid dreaming to overcome recurring nightmares or to rehearse scenarios that can build confidence and reduce anxiety in waking life. Fact 7. Common dream themes. Some dream themes are universal, like being chased, falling, or flying. These themes often reflect common human experiences or fears. Understanding these themes can provide insights into your subconscious mind. For instance, dreams of being chased might represent feelings of anxiety or avoidance in waking life, while flying dreams can symbolize a desire for freedom or escape. By exploring these themes, individuals can gain a deeper understanding of their emotional state and work towards resolving underlying issues. Fact 8. Nightmares have a purpose. Nightmares might be unpleasant, but they can help process fear and anxiety. They allow the brain to rehearse responses to threats in a safe environment, preparing us for real-life situations. Nightmares often occur during times of stress, and addressing the source of anxiety can help reduce their frequency. In some cases, nightmares can be a response to unresolved trauma, and exploring these dreams with a therapist can be a valuable tool for healing and personal growth. Fact 9. Dreams can inspire creativity. Throughout history, dreams have inspired artists, inventors, and writers. Famous works such as Mary Shelley's Frankenstein and Paul McCartney's song Yesterday were reportedly inspired by dreams. Dreams offer a unique space for the mind to explore new ideas without the constraints of logic, leading to creative breakthroughs. By paying attention to the content of our dreams, we can tap into this wellspring of creativity and apply it to our waking lives. Fact 10. Dreaming can help solve problems. Dreaming is linked to creative problem-solving. Studies suggest that sleep, especially REM sleep, can help us find innovative solutions to complex problems by allowing the brain to explore different possibilities. This is known as the incubation effect, where stepping away from a problem and allowing the mind to work on it subconsciously can lead to unexpected insights and solutions. Encouraging a restful night's sleep can enhance this effect, leading to more effective problem-solving skills. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of dreams. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more intriguing facts and discoveries from 10 Facts. Sweet dreams.